With a leg span up to 12 inches the size of a dinner plate, this giant tarantula can weigh over 6 ounces. Meet the largest spider in the world, the Goliath bird eater. Despite its scary name, it rarely eats birds. Its diet is mostly insects, worms, and sometimes small frogs or rodents. This spider makes a hissing sound when threatened by rubbing its legs together. And it has 1-inch-long fangs that can pierce a mouse's skull. But don't worry, its venom isn't deadly to humans. It could only be fatal when a person has an allergic reaction.